EURORO Italian flag to embark. We have Italian flag ships, ROROs, 37,000 tons to 67,000 tons, state of the art new ships, and therefore just ROROs, so between Mediterranean coast and Italy, Italian flag net 2,850 AB, stewards 2,200 euros, second engineer 7,000, third engineer 4,800, and this is the wage scale, that's the standard. Many European leaders in Brussels are really contacting us. No, that's a joke. They don't have interest in generating 4 million seafarers, and then that's direct. Indirect, that's 40 is 10 times more indirect. That's 44 million jobs, each 30,000 euros. They don't have such interest in calculating the intrinsic value. That's per year. Yeah, 30,000 times 44 million. Yeah, come on, politicians, you go and calculate a little bit how much money would that be for Europe. And then the shipping industry, the maritime industry, we could have really the headquarters, because if we don't have seafarers, we don't have officers, captains, only one training system and so on. But anyway, this video is just for you to apply urgently, Green Inspector, because when September arrives, you are sailing on board the fishing, or sailing on board the cruise, or sailing on board international trade, and you want to be closer to your family, so apply urgently to Candina. We don't need the English, so we put subtitles in Italian. Therefore, please apply urgently, because we do have these ships, which the growth is exponential, because no one in Europe wants to embark. We have 26 maritime ministries, and the lowest point of the Pacific Ocean, which is Marianas, I think is something like 10,000 meters below. Yeah, that's the European merchant ministries, and we could really employ 44 million, yeah, which is direct and indirect. But anyway, this is kindergarten, isn't it? So please apply urgently, because these ships are here in Europe. This is European flag, so you will have the full cover of Social Security if you are under any other flag of convenience, or either sailing far away or in fishing, and you want to be in a merchant ship with 37,000 tons to 67,000 tons. Apply urgently now. RORO seafarers, thank you very much indeed. Bye.